It's as if there was no issue, no cracks, even small little non-structural things. We've done a little patchwork everywhere around. Unnecessary patchwork that was done, but done. This was the one vertical crack for which they were talking about. Everything is secure. No other issues around here. Still have our gate. Just need back up. Structurally, everything was good. This was the roof. We had a board or two that was non-structural. As you can go and see, everything, there's a little bit of debris there that just needs to be cleaned out. Just need to get a bag and a broom.